Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS5320 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TS5320 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should say Canon support for Pixma TS5320, and it should be on canon.com. Go ahead and open that up. And now scroll down underneath Downloads and Expand Software and Drivers, and then select the TS5300 series driver setup package and the download button. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then once that is installed, you should be able to select Start Setup, select Next, and then proceed with the installer here, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.